How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, we're on the way up to the 53rd annual Georgian Based Team Show here in Cookstown, Ontario, featuring Minnieapolis Moline and Oddball equipment. This is Sunday morning now, but I was up here yesterday also, but I got up here a little bit late because I ran a couple loads of scrap in before I decided to come up because the scrap prices are up and I got tired of looking at it in the backyard. So anyway, I'm going to put the camera down and when we get to the fairgrounds, we'll go for our annual tour. Alright, we made it. So now it's a good time to go around and get some shots because there's not too many people around just yet. Oh, here's some old Kenworth here. Maybe another good hot day, I think. Heavy rescue. Get started over at the museum stuff, I guess. This is kind of a different style Eagle here. This is a bit later one, I think. Model E Eagle. Grandpa's have a Model H. Alright, let's go see the features of it. I think some of that stuff is from the Country Heritage Park where Steamer is going to be here in a couple of weeks. So, got a fair decent crowd of tractors this year. There's the little Waterloo Broncos. Anyway, I like that G1000. Farmall H. Model U. Here's a Model G. Uncle Herb used to have one of these too, but there's a gasser. Now this one's a propane. Jetstar.
Have a good day. You can.
Model Z. Might just start in over here too. I don't know if it's starting to pull this one already yet or not. Massey 44 standard. Not gonna fit through that one. Cabe Drumley's there. Model D John Deere. Let me see Alice.
And get ready, then we won't have to waste too much time. 2 in, good job.
Pretty clean WD there for sale if anyone's looking for one. Model F Rumley.
Looks like it's moved. Whoa, flipped over. That's okay. Got one of my favorite symbols on the front of that tractor. Comes from Little Bulldog from the Mack truck.
70-20.
Good job.
Two cylinders. W6 diesel.
4. Great job. Okay, so let's get the big tractors lined up.
Super MGA with a single front wheel. Not many of those around.
And let's see how well they do. John has to move the small cup. We do give the big tractors a little larger cup to aim for. Only because they're a little higher.
Maybe we missed these ones here. Big 2744 Mini or Waterloo. January 60. Look, I think it's a KTA. 1550 cock shut. We used to have one of those. A really nice Oliver Super 88 standard diesel.
They try to drop the water down in between and to the top. Does he know how to do it?
720.
Okay.
There's some steam engines here.
Okay, so for the big guys, we're timing them. So it's how many
Waterloo
in
steam engine.
and the time go.
Two Waterloo steam engines.
Here we go.
Paul Frampton's little engine there. Go ahead and get over here and get you guys a shot.
Now, as I said,
Lawn charge here. I'll try to get some shots with some stuff in operation here when things start to get going. So.
If that helps you, I don't know.
There's that Baker fan. It's kind of funny. Next year they're featuring Cockshut at Cookstown here. So I said, you guys did that on purpose to get the 1828 up here. So you never know what's gonna happen. Little lineup of garden tractors.
Much closer this time.
I want to show you guys this big 4080 Minnieapolis up here. Just got complete the restored. So got new fresh paint job. You can still smell the paint. Universal here as well. That tractor's been to a lot of shows and it's been at Milton for a lot of years. I think 1967 was the first year for it at Milton. So, been around a while. George White engine there. And they have a couple of Waterloo engines. You can always tell the Waterloo engine by that big line in the front. That's what Gramps always used to say. Well, we should get some shot of some engines here. Maybe they'll come around the other side and we can see those ones. Well, the can crusher here. Some of this side while we're thinking about it. Not quite sure this is going to be corn grinder. Yeah, corn grinder. Making cornmeal, I guess. Ideal. Gray engine. Mass number 3.
Now there is a girl.
Looks like they're sawing over here. We got a 20 horsepower sawyer massive steam engine on there. I better get a shot of that. Oh, it was a Sawyer Massey yesterday. It was George White engine today. Anyway, while we're waiting for the steam engine to get the belt back on here. Oh, would you look at this? 1946 Oliver 80. He's actually got 2 of these tractors. They're both set up kind of identical too, so. He's not too far from my place. He's actually just in Bradford. We used to have a farm in Bradford. I was talking to him there last year a little bit too. So. It's a good running tractor. Tractor runs nice and quiet. Just never know what's gonna happen. I mean, I guess I might have to have a sale on farm toys, boys. Never know what's gonna happen. Anyway, see, we got a little bit of sawing in here. George White.
Tonight we also have the larger tractors and the guys who are used to pulling all the time. Come over to the table.
That's how it's done.
And some prizes.
Anyway, I think they might have the rock crusher going here too, so I might go get you guys a shot of that too. Big 4080 Minnieapolis tractor owned by the Hume family. Just got a fresh repaint here this past winter. Got a little grain thrashed out.